So here's what you need for making hard-boiled eggs. You need a pot with a lid, so that means you probably should go root around in the cabinet for a minute and get what you have. Crowded eggs do not get along well. In fact, I think this is a COVID-friendly recipe. And spoiler alert, if they start to floating right away, that's not a great sign. Now I'm gonna pause it so I can move the camera, and this is where a commercial break would go if I had sponsors. You need salt and pepper. Of course, you know I like kosher. We need some Duke's mayonnaise, all right. And if you eat anything but Duke's, you are not my people. I don't know about y'all with the towel paper and business cards. And I don't know if it makes a difference in real estate. Maybe that's why I sell houses. Oh, now we're cooking with gas. This stuff is amazing. And of course, Texas Pete is from North Carolina, so I totally have like the most southern deviled eggs here because I'm using southern ingredients. Isn't the egg salad sandwich like the most underrated sandwich food? Although you shouldn't eat it in a closed space because it smells terrible.